Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making bread. Let's start with 1.5 tablespoons of instant yeast. Then add 2 cups of water. The water has to be warm. Not hot, not cold, but warm. Oh wait, oh. One egg beaten. Oh, that made a flop. 5 cups of flour now. Oh wait. That one came out very still. It's still in its shape. Now we mix it with our hands. Anyways, if you need more flour or water, you can add it in at any time. So, you see, it's very sticky and moist. And so you're gonna wanna squish it and get the side flour too. You don't wanna waste any food. First, we're going to spray the bowl. Then we're going to put the dough inside the bowl. Okay, now we add it in. Gotta make sure it's nice and good. Now we're covering it in plastic wrap and we're letting it sit for 1 hour. We'll be right back in an hour.
1 hour later.
The dough has risen, and now we're ready to cut it in half. You see, the dough is still a little bit squishy. We're still gonna eat it like this, but it's it's still bread, at least. It still works. Of why bread is important. Shake the edges. We need 1 small and 1 big. Now we're going to put some egg wash on top of the bread. Whee! Now we're going to let it rest while we preheat the oven. Bake for 40 minutes at 375 degrees. All right, it's all done.
Oh. I love bread.
All right, thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Ooh.